Hello everyone, welcome! So have you ever heard someone say they had a smashing good time? It's a funny phrase, right? You might be thinking, wait, did they break something? The word smashing can be a little tricky, but don't you worry, we're gonna figure this out together today, and you'll learn a really great new English phrase.
Yeah, smashing usually does mean breaking something, like smashing a glass. So, does a smashing good time mean you went to a party and broke all the plates? Ha, that's a pretty funny picture, isn't it? Well, let's dive into a little story to see what's really going on with this phrase.
Okay, section 1, a smashing mix-up. So, let me tell you about my friend Maria. This exact phrase really confused her one time, and her story is just perfect for helping us understand. So, Maria had been to a party, right? And the next day, her friend was telling her all about it, just smiling from ear to ear. And her friend says, "I had a smashing good time at the party." Well, when Maria heard that word smashing, she immediately thought of broken dishes and a big mess. So she looked at her friend all worried and she asked, "Oh no, did you break something?" And her friend, well, she just started laughing. Can you guess why?
All right, section 2, the real meaning. You see, the reason Maria's friend was laughing is because smashing in this phrase means something completely different and actually something really, really positive. Let's find out what she really meant.
So here it is, a smashing good time has absolutely nothing to do with breaking things. Nope, it just means you had an extremely fun, enjoyable, and wonderful experience. So if something was just fantastic, you can say it was a smashing good time. It's that simple. And this is exactly where Maria got confused. You see the two meanings here? She was thinking of the literal one, breaking things into pieces. But her friend was using the idiom, having a fantastic experience. It's a super common mix-up, so don't worry if you thought the same thing. Okay, so now that we're in on the secret, let's go back to our story. Let's hear how Maria's friend explained what she really meant by a smashing good time.
Her friend told her, No, the music was great, the food was delicious, and I danced all night. That's why it was a smashing good time. See? She listed all these wonderful things about the party, which makes it totally clear that she just had a fantastic time. Moving on to section 3, examples and memory tricks. So to really help you get this and start using it yourself, let's look at a few more examples. And I've got a really cool little trick to help you remember what it means. You can really use this for any kind of fun event. For example, after a trip, you could say, "We had a smashing good time on our vacation." Or maybe you're talking about a celebration. "The birthday party was a smashing good time for everyone." And it's a really nice way to thank somebody too. You can just say, "Thanks for inviting me. I had a smashing good time."
Okay, here's that little memory trick I promised you. It's super helpful. I want you to picture a piñata at a birthday party. What do? You have to smash it open, right? And what happens when you smash it? All the fun stuff, all the candy comes out for everyone to enjoy. So, see? In this case, smashing leads to something really happy and fun. All right, our next section, fun facts and connections. This phrase actually has a pretty interesting backstory, and it has some other family members in the English language. Knowing this stuff makes learning way more fun, and it gives you a little peek into the culture too. So, here's a cool fact. This phrase is super common in British English. Way back in the early 1900s, people started using the word smashing just by itself to mean wonderful or excellent. So if you ever watch old British movies or TV shows, listen for it. You'll probably hear someone say it. Now, English has so many ways to talk about having fun. So if you want to say something similar to a smashing good time, you could say you had a ball or that something was a blast. Now, for the opposite, if you had a terrible time, you might say it was a real drag or a total downer. It's really good to know these other phrases too. Okay, it's time for our next section. Test your knowledge. Are you ready to see what you've learned? Let's do a super quick, easy quiz. It's just for fun, I promise. Only 3 questions. Question number 1. What does a smashing good time mean? Is it A, a time when you break things, B, a very fun and enjoyable time, or C, a time when you are angry? Think back to Maria's story. Okay, question 2. Which of these sentences is correct? A, the sad movie was a smashing good time, B, the library was a smashing good time, or C, the concert was a smashing good time. Think about which one of these would be fun and exciting. And our last one, question 3. Let's say your friend tells you they had a blast at the festival.
What is that similar to? Is it A, a smashing good time, B, a total downer, or C, a quiet time? Remember those other phrases we just learned.
Okay, pencils down. Let's check those answers. For number 1, the correct answer is B, a very fun and enjoyable time. For number 2, the answer is C, the concert was a smashing good time. And for number 3, the answer is A, a blast is similar to a smashing good time. How did you do? I bet you did great. Excellent work, everyone.
Fantastic job on that quiz. And now we're at our final section. Now it's your turn. This is the most important part because now you get to practice. But first, let's just go over the one main thing to remember.
Just keep this one simple thing in your mind. Smashing good time means something is wonderful, not broken. It's always about having fun and having a great experience.
So, I have a question for you to practice with. Think about something fun you did recently. What was the last thing you did that was a smashing good time? I would really love to hear about it, so please write your answer in the comments below.
So my challenge for you is to try and use a smashing good time this week. The more you say it, the easier it will get. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and follow for more. See you next time. Bye!